Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching Wonders ELA. Now, let's look at what a bonus station is going to look like for possible early finishers. Now, these are just some examples. Remember, you get to use your creativity and you can just do whatever you want with your bonus station, but there might come a time in a QR break-in in your class where one team might finish just a little bit earlier than the rest of the teams. Again, it's really up to your discretion as the teacher. You're going to have to make sure that a team is not ending or finishing all of their stations way ahead of everyone else. So you're going to kind of like slow some teams down or possibly speed some teams up. So you're really like that felicitator, just going around the room, watching teams and making sure that everyone is kind of going at a similar pace. But there probably will be a time, I know I had this, where a team finishes all of their stations. Their team worked really well together and they finished. Other teams had a little bit more time, so they were still working. So that's when you need a bonus station. Now, I personally like to keep the Play-Doh and the Legos out of my regular QRBREAKIN station so that I could use them for the bonus station and make it really fun for those students. So basically, they got a choice between like using Play-Doh or Legos. With the Play-Doh, they could build what they learned with the Play-Doh, be ready to tell me, the property manager, lots of details. And this all had to do with whatever they have been learning and what stood out to them through all the stations that had to do with the Wonders weekly assignments and activities. Or they could choose to build what they learned with Legos. A lot of students love doing that, but they had to annotate on a whiteboard or even on a Google slide, a 3x5 card would even work, about the significance of that creation. So these are a few examples from my class on here. Again, you really get to choose what your bonus station looks like. And I think that the bonus station makes sure that you have that ready to go, because you never know when possibly a team finishes just a little bit earlier than the rest. I really hope that you use Wonders ELA QRBREAKIN and put this in your teacher toolkit, because your students are absolutely going to love this. It really is a game changer when it comes to teaching Wonders.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.